So, very first spirit bag. Costs $23 after shipping and everything. That's to Florida. Oh, it's so pretty. It smells so good in here. Alright, we got an oil. It's so pretty. It's like a bluish. So pretty. And then the bag itself is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And then we got a card in here. That's pretty. It reminds me of Harry Potter and his Patronus. Oh, and there's a box deep down in here too. That's it. That's everything. That to the side. Alright. It says Spirit Bags by Heart Path Creations. And it smells amazing. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. It's beautiful. Looks like rose quartz. Very pretty. Right. So pretty. And then we got a note here. This month's focus is heart healing and sacred care. The journey of spirit through human form can be hard on our hearts. In some ways, I feel there is not enough emphasis on being gentle with oneself, observing even our small pains, and providing the sacred care needed to move forward in honor of our spirit. We are beings of love at our core, and utilizing tools and practices to actualize this in everyday life is precious. And it goes on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Long, long, long. Not going to read all that right now. And our little bag is so adorable. Oh, and it smells amazing. Let's see what's in here. It's heavy. Alright, let's get it open. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, another pretty piece of rose quartz. Big chunk of rose quartz. Pretty. And that is all that was in there, but that is quite enough. All in all, we got a beautiful bag. We got the rose quartz, and we got the spray, and we got this pretty, pretty necklace. Beautiful, beautiful necklace. And this pretty card. Not bad. Great first box. Thank you all. Hope to see you again next month.